This time we are going to the forest. Follow me. As you can see, it's very green in the forest. This is called the super leaf plant. It has very many leaves and that's why it's super leaf. You can see that it tastes very good. Follow me. That is called the pea tree. It's pea tree because everyone pees on it. From there we climb to the birch which is there, right here, and then we pee from there on top of it and pee to the pea tree. Very cool. As you can see, I don't have any shoes on right now, so I can die. The super leaf tree was very nice. I just ate it.
There's a lot of bugs and insects in the forest too.
Yes.
Some mosquitoes just bit me.
Yes.
It's not very nice.
It's very wet in here. My shoes, my legs are very wet right now. I tried to say shoes because usually I have shoes, but not now.
I have shoes.
This is heinä. We usually put the heinä in our mouth and then we chew it.
Okay. You have lots of mosquitoes in your back.
It's very nice, yes.
Yes.
There is the lake. Look at the lake. We can't go to the lake because I have no shoes and there's a swamp before the lake. The forest ends right there and then starts the swamp.
Yes.
We can't go there. I can tell you something about these plants. This is also a birch, but we don't climb there because there's no pea tree around here. If we go here, there we can see these little hair trees.
Yes.
These are not pea trees. These are not baby pea trees as you would think, because baby pea trees have darker hair. These have very light hair, as you can see, almost as light as my skin.
Yes.
This does not taste very good. I have tasted it. I can taste it now.
And it is also called the camouflage plant because Finnish soldiers put it behind their ears when they go hiding in the forest.
Yes. And this is the star, forest star. It's very good and nice little plant. It has this little flower there. It tastes good. And there's this other flower coming from these leaves.
There's pretty much insects here.
Yes,
Fuck
very
the
many insects.
Fuck the mosquitoes, they bit me. It's very hard to film.
Oh, there's something here. What is it? I haven't seen anything like this before. Do you have any idea what it could be?
It's violet flower.
Yes, it's some kind of violet flower. But what is it?
We don't know.
We have no idea. There's the pea tree again. I don't have to pee now, so I'm not going to. There's also this nice pine. Nice spine. Almost like spine. It's very hard to climb in these because it has so branches. Yes. Very good English, I know.
Yes. Does it taste good?
No, it doesn't taste good. But if you cut it, or if you can see some liquid somewhere, it tastes good. The liquid tastes good, and if you put it in your mouth, it's kinda chewy, and you can use it like chewing gum. I can't see any in this species.
Okay.
Also these birds have that too, but it's not in here. You have to cut it or drill it and then it comes out. It's very sweet and good. It's also good for your teeth. What we have here? It's this. Ah! Mosquito! 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 I'm going to die! I'm going to die!
In these pictures we end our travel program.